Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Roni Paslah, SPD ME, dosen program studi S1 Pendidikan Administrasi Perkantoran, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing kedua dari mahasiswa yang bernama Arvini Dalistasia Putri dengan judul penelitian pengaruh media pembelajaran dan motivasi belajar siswa terhadap prestasi belajar siswa pada jurusan OTKP di SMKN 13 Jakarta. Berikut adalah pemaparan penelitian tersebut. Demikian pemaparan penelitian tersebut. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Dr. Agus Wibowo as my first supervisor, and I respect Mr. Roni Fasla SPD MM as my second supervisor. So, my name is Arif Nigastasya Putri, student of Office Administration Education Class B 2019. Here I will present my thesis proposal, and title is The Influence of Learning Media and Student Motivation on Learning Assessment in the Office Management Automation Department at 13 Vocation High School in Jakarta. My background choose to research to learning media and learning motivation on student learning assessment. The first is the low effectiveness of education in Indonesia. So where there are still many schools that have not carried out effective learning, so that the value of effectiveness in the world of education is still relatively too low. Apart from that, the rapid advance of technology also cannot be applied optimal in the world of education. So this is also one of the cause of the low value of the effectiveness of education in Indonesia. The main background that me interest in this research is how the learning assessment of student in the Office Management Automatic Department at 13 Vocation High School in Jakarta still has number of student where learning assessment is related to low. With this, I want to explain whether the factor that make student assessment low and what her learning media and giving motivation to student have been carried out and have an influence on increasing student assessment in the Office Management Automation Department at 13 Vocation High School in Jakarta. Next, there are three formulas of the problem in the study. 1. Does learning media affect student on learning assessment? 2. Does student learning motivation affect learning assessment as well? And the last, the two variable affect student assessment at 13 Vocation High School in Jakarta, majoring in Automation Government Office. The purpose of doing this research is to find out how learning media, student learning motivation will affect student in assessment. In this study, three updates. The first, I use a simple random sampling technique with the Crunch and Morgan formula. The second update was in the research data collection technique. Namely, I look at the result in the form of report card and look at the three value component, namely knowledge, skill, and practice, and distribution of questionnaire. For tomorrow, the last update, namely I measure the part of learning media and learning motivation, whether or not is affect student learning assessment by examining more deeply related to learning media and student learning motivation in all technique and learning activity. In this study, I used the basic theory, namely the TPACK theory, or theory that increase knowledge to skill with the technology advance, which are increasingly rapid in the learning process. So that that it can facilitate the learning process in line with Suyanto option, who said the TPEAC theory is knowledge and skill in integration technology in learning. So with that, according to the title I choose, namely the influence of learning media and learning motivation on student assessment. Next is the first supporting theory, namely learning media as variable X1, wherein the learning process learning media has a role that make it easy to convey learning material in a real way by utilizing objective or media that can be used. In accordance with the option of Azhar Arshad, we said that learning media play an important role in the teaching and learning process to convey message or information that can stimulate student attention and interest in learning. Learning media as several indicator. This one, the relevance of the learning media used with teaching material, and two, teaching ability to use instructional media, easy of use of learning media for teacher and student. 3. Availability of learning media used during class learning, and the last, the usefulness of using learning media felt by students so that it can improve the learning process. Next, the theory supporting the second variable is the option according to Sadirman that learning motivation is the overall driving force with student that give rise to learning activity, which is guards the continuity of the learning activity process and provides direction to learning activity, so that the have been set can be assessment with several indicator honored by learning motivation, namely first, the desire to success. Second, essence of encouragement and need and learning. Third, they are hopes and aspiration for the future. Next, they are appreciation in learning. And 5, they are interest activity in learning. Last, for this theory support variable, namely student learning assessment, is the option according to Helena Yuniamega, who say that learning assessment is measure of student learning as question to find out how far students are able to reach predetermined learning goals. Where there are goals occurred from the impression on interaction that occurred during learning that bring change in each individual, with several indicators, namely cognitive domain atau cognitive domain, affective domain, and psychomotoric domain. There are several previous studies that have similar with this research. First, research conducted by Francisco Butar and Rotue SP Simaluang 2021. The result of found in this study that there is a positive and significant effect simulation between the use of instructional media and learning motivation on student assessment. Second, and the result issued in Sharif 2021, the results show that the use of learning media atau learning media or blending learning has significant effect on increasing motivation and learning assessment student. The last, Muklis Yakub Harap dan Yani Yukiyah 2020, the research found that there was a significant positive effect on the use of learning media and learning motivation on student assessment. The following is picture of the constellation of the relationship between variable and the research hypothesis. Namely, there is a relationship of variable X1 to student assessment, namely H1. Then the relationship between learning motivation and learning assessment with H2. After that, the learning shape of the two variable or the influence of two variable on student assessment variable in the Office Management Automation Department at 13 Jakarta Vocation School. Place and time of research. In chapter 3, I explain the place, time, and method that I will use to test the data that I have found, which is in the studio assigned the 13 Jakarta Vocation School, which is its location at State Vocation School 30 Jakarta, which is its location on Rawabelong 2A RT7 RW 10 Palmera, Kecamatan Palmera, City of West Jakarta, Special Capital Region of Jakarta. With the time, I spent researching this for 2 months with data collection during December 2022 until January 2023. This study has population 144 students, and research use a sample of 108 students, which will be represented by 27 students from each class. The sample was opened using a simple random technical and the Craigie and Morgan formula to find the number of sample. In this study, I use quantitative operation and uses research method, namely ex post test research or research method that look data from result that already, or its name is card report student. In the research, statistical analysis is also carried out using multiple linear analysis method. In this study, the technical used was as questionnaire or primary and post-test result, which can be seen from the report card, or secondary. And analysis technical for data analysis is multiplanar regression with the stage of data analysis name. 1. Instrument technical testing. 2. Test recurrent analysis. 3. Multiplanar linear regression analysis. 4. Classic association test. And last, model feasibility test. And this is my thesis proposal seminar. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.